Just need a refresher? This quick guide will get you started in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. If you're not signed in, enter your login details to access your dashboard. From here, head to the Zoho Apps section. It's where all Zoho services live. Next, click on the Books icon from the list of apps. This will take you to Zoho Books, where you can manage invoices, track expenses, and generate financial reports, all in one place. Finally, select Access Zoho Books to reach your personalized dashboard. Take a moment to explore features like payables, receivables, and detailed financial overviews. And that's it. You're now ready to dive into Zoho Books and take control of your business finances. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials to make your business management easier and more efficient.